If you're selling, delivering or manufacturing food and beverage products, then you'll know that most ERP and accounting systems really don't understand your sales, distribution and process challenges. This leads to a lot of spreadsheets and workarounds for you. To address these challenges, we've created an advanced and user-friendly solution, FoodSoft, powered by Microsoft Dynamics. Fully integrated and using real-time information, it has all of the functionality you need, including delivery wraps, pantry lists, catch and random weights, barcoding, manufacturing and integrated accounting, as well as providing mobility including a web shop and sales app. It even reminds clients they haven't placed their order approaching cut-off time, all designed to save time and increase profits. So, if you're ready to explore this, please contact the team at FoodSoft today. We have food in our DNA.